So picked up a couple of Fenix HP30 headlights at yard sale this weekend. It's kind of cool. It's got a little plastic battery case that's got a cover and a clip on it, and then it will undo from the unit so you can swap batteries real quick if you want to. Have an extra whole thing. It's got a USB out, which is kind of neat. Punch that little button, it tells you the battery level. It's got 4 different fittings on it, or settings on it, and then it's got a turbo button to make it quite a bit brighter for a little bit. It's got a diffuser on it. I think it'd be good for photography, and it was cheap. I bought both these for 20 bucks. They were, you know, years ago when they first came out, they were $80 or $90 a piece. So this one and the one I got, the other one I got, a little bit different color, and the strap on them is built a little different, but they're basically the same unit. Like this one's got a back strap on it and it adjusts on the side, and this one is built a little different. It's got a top strap, and then the back strap's back here. It doesn't have that little plastic piece in there. So I took this one off, and while I was taking it off, I kind of wondered if I was going to figure out how to put it back on, but it's really pretty simple. I thought I'd go ahead and show you guys how to do it. This one goes over the top, of course. These things are split, even on the other one, on a lot of the parts where the webbing goes through. So you just kind of push it down and pull it back up, and it pops in. There's the bottom part. Even got the logo right side up this time. And then this one I put with the strap kind of on the outside buckle, and run it this way, so I'm trying to keep the plastic stuff off my head as much as I can. So that looks like it's going to work out pretty good. The cord on them's a pain, and in fact the guy I got it from said that was the main reason they got something different. But if you take a little time and route, I think it wouldn't be quite as big a deal. So these things will go on the side to get the cable away from the front of the light. They work pretty much the same thing. They're just split there on the back, and you put these in there, and it pops on just like the other stuff does. And this one has a couple of these, and so does the other one. I got a couple of them to get them out of the way. If you got everything situated real good, I think you could probably have this adjusted, maybe even put one of those things all the way here at the back and run it down your back. But you probably want to run it down the side and put it in a pocket or something like that. Cord on is pretty long. Don't know how long exactly. Look like it could go in your pants pocket real easy, maybe back pocket. Clips on somewhere, of course. It's got that clip, so I think they'd be pretty cool. It's got, the batteries are 2 of the 18650s, and I think you could use, I read somewhere that you could use 4 of the C123s or something like that, but they're so expensive. Of course, these 18650s are not cheap, but they're rechargeable at least. I've got these, had these from my Zebra light. I still got my Zebra light, and I like it too. But you can see that O-ring on there. It just pushes together, and you tighten it. Nut down, it's good to go. Waterproof. So this other one's basically built the same way, except it's got this little deal in the back and the adjustments on the side. So you just take it apart and put it back together the same exact way as you do here, as you do behind the light head. So be simple to do. I'll be taking that one off and washing it out, just using shampoo or something and squish it out, clean it out, let it dry out. There you go, in case you needed to look how to thread them back together. I think they're pretty neat little lights. Thanks for watching.